in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your game bar is not working properly on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, like it's not opening, it's not responding, or it's just acting up. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select System Components. You want to search for System Components for the game bar in here. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. And then scrolling down, you can select the Reset option. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. You can select Repair, and then attempt to launch the Xbox game bar once that's done and see if it's resolved the problem. If not, you can come back in here and select the second option, that if the system component isn't working right still, you can reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the system's components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Give that a moment. And I would suggest actually restarting your computer once you have a check mark here, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.